Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020 version, the one that I got. I bought it in red color. Before I do any of the unboxing, I want to talk about the service that I got this phone on. I decided to go with the Cricket because they had the best value on the new iPhone SE. So let me guys show you what they have. Right now, as of today, as of posting this video, they have the iPhone SE for $50. There's a catch, of course. The price is $50 if you're a new customer and you transfer in your number and you decide to buy their $60 plan. But there's a walk around that. So what you can do is you can transfer any number. So if you have a prepaid number or anything like that, or you can just move your regular number to the company. I moved my regular number that I had with Simple Mobile, and then I decided to buy the phone. Before I did any of this, I did a referral, which gives you another $25 off. $25 off a plan if you use their service for 60 days. So it's gonna kick in on the third month, so you're gonna get another $25 off. I'm gonna post a referral in the description, so whoever needs it, whoever wants to use this company can use my referral. You guys gonna get $25, and then I'll get $25. Or you can use any other. If you have friends that use Cricket, you can use their referral if you don't want to use mine. So that's the first thing I did. The first thing you gotta do is do the referral. So make sure you click on my link, and then you put your email address that you're gonna use on this account. So that's the first step. So the next step is you're gonna go on their website. You're gonna select the color you want. You can do the white one, black one, or the red one, which I received. And then you can do you can do the storage. If you want to do 128, it's going to be $50 more. 256 bucks is a lot more, so I would recommend you doing 64 gigabytes for $50 or 128 gigabytes for $100. So once you do that and you pick the color, you're gonna add it to the cart. And then if you want their coverage for the phone, I usually don't do that. I do not, thank you. Then this is their plan. So once you activate the phone and transfer your number, you're gonna because you already bought a $60 plan, what you're gonna do is you're gonna transfer that $60 plan into two $30 plans. So you're gonna select the $30 plan, and it's gonna give you another $30 credit on your account. So you're gonna have, right off the bat, you're gonna have the phone and 2 months of a $30 plan. And then for the third month, you're gonna get that referral of $25. So you basically only gonna pay $5 more, and then you're gonna have the phone and 3 months of service for, I believe, so we got 50 plus 60, that's 110, and then plus 5, $115. And there's no other fees. They don't charge activation. So we're gonna add this to the cart, and now you're gonna type in your number. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it. But once you finish all that, they ship the phone in about 2 days. Well, they ship it, I believe, the same day. You might get it. Make sure you check your email. You might get an email from them telling you something's wrong with the number transfer. So if there's anything wrong, make sure you send them email right away. But if everything is good, they usually ship the phone the next business days, and it takes about 2 business days to arrive. So it has next day shipping. So once you get the phone, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on their website, Cricket Wireless, activate, and then you're gonna type in your Cricket order number and the new mobile number or the number you're transferring. And then once you set all that up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna change the monthly plan from $60 to $30. And then they're gonna give you a $30 credit right on your account. So the next month you won't have to pay anything. So right off the bat, you're gonna have 2 months of service, and then that $25 oh yeah, and then once you do that, you're gonna make sure you go to the referral. It's gonna be on your account, and then you're gonna see on the bottom of the page, it's gonna say referral. That's where you're gonna type in that code. that you did from the first step. So once you do that, that referral is gonna kick in after 60 days. So for the third month, you're only gonna pay another $5 if you're on that $30 plan. So if you want to unlock this iPhone SE that you just received, you're gonna have to have a service with them for 6 months, 6 months of paid service. So that's gonna cost you, you know, if you do it 6 months at $30 plan, so that's gonna be another $90. So when it's all said and done, you're gonna have iPhone SE, brand new iPhone SE unlocked and 6 months of service, which I think it's a quite amazing deal and amazing price. And if you guys not familiar with the Cricket, it's owned by AT&T, so it runs off of their antennas. I heard some good things about it. Depends, you know, which city or which area you at, but service should be really good, and I believe the you know, the internet should be really good too. And I'm not sure if I talked about it, but their plans, you know, the $30 plan, you only get voice and unlimited voice and texting, and then you get 2 gigabytes of high-speed data. So, you know, if you spend a lot of time at home and you don't use internet that much when you're outside the home, I think 2 gigs is it's really nice. Or you can do their, let me see, if you do just one line, you can do that $40 per line, which will give you 10 gigabytes of high speed. And if you do auto pay, it's gonna be only 35 bucks a month, which is quite amazing deal for 10 gigs of web. And keep in mind, this is all prepaid, so you can use this, you know, and then if you decide you don't want to use the company, you don't like it, you can just not even cancel. You can just stop paying, and it's gonna, you know, it's gonna cancel by itself. And yeah, of course, you keep the phone because there's no contract. So that's about it. But yeah, make sure the first step you guys do is do the referral, which I'm gonna keep in description, and then order the phone using that email, and then do the other steps that I mentioned in the video. So let's go on to the unboxing of the iPhone SE. I was a big fan of the first iPhone SE that they released. I'm not sure which year they released it at, but I was a big fan. So this phone retails for $400. And it looks the same as the iPhone 8, iPhone 7, and 6. There's a difference in camera, difference in CPU. So as you guys can see, it comes with the charger brick. Let me put this back. Comes with the headphones, and it comes with the plug, and also comes with the paperwork. And I believe it should include the sticker. So yeah, if you buy the product red, I think 5% they donate to charity. So you got this, and you got that thing, and you got the SIM eject tool, and you got their sticker, which comes with any Apple product you buy. So let's put that back, and then we're gonna see how the actual phone looks. I honestly believe, so I'm not gonna go too much on the phone because it actually looks the same as the ones I mentioned before. Yeah, it looks very light. The phone I'm using right now is iPhone 8 Plus. I decided to get this just because, like, in my pocket it's gonna feel more lighter. It's gonna have same, maybe even better camera than the iPhone 8 Plus. And the speed is gonna be much better. It's gonna be faster than the iPhone 8 Plus because it's gonna have the same 3 gigs of RAM, but it's gonna have much better CPU, and it's gonna, you know, of course, it's gonna have less screen, so it's gonna run much faster. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys know what the, you know, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6 looks like, so I don't need to, you know, go much on it. It basically looks the same, except the logo is a little bit on the middle of the screen, and it has a little bit different camera, but other than that, it's all the same. It doesn't have 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Everything else is pretty much the same. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions about the phone or about the Cricket, let me know in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thank you.